What's coming up?
Oh, a whole load of stuff. We have Niall McCabe next Saturday.
Very exciting.
He's in Zoolander would say he's hot right now. So get the tickets to that. He's playing a host of gigs around the different things. We have a really special lecture on the 9th of October with Conrad Byron. He's launching his book, Irish People of Colour. Now, that is sold out. It was a free event. Everybody who attends gets a book. They're all gone. We have no more availability for that, but it's going to be a brilliant night here.
And we've got an exhibition to go with it.
Oh, yes.
Entangled Lives.
Yes, it arrived this morning.
Very
exciting stuff.
It's going to be on for the whole of October. It celebrates the connection between Ireland and the Caribbean.
Mm-hmm. And we explored that last month as well, didn't we, with Charlie Phillips, the fabulous photographer from Portobello.
Speaking of Irish language, we have a play
we
coming
do indeed,
over.
Around like a sim.
Bread and butter to those. He's here for 2 nights, which is great.
It's going to be brilliant.
We are joined by the fabulous Declan O'Rourke in partnership with the Irish Creative Collective as they bring us their next Caracha. And Declan, I'll let you in a little secret, will probably sing a few songs that night as well. So if you're a big fan of his music, I would definitely come to that.
That would be fantastic.
And we have Carmina. We have
brilliant.
lots of different stuff coming up. But we also have Paddy Cullivan is returning at the end of the month with his new play, I Can't Believe It's Not Ireland.
And he did The Murder of Michael Collins, which was a hit show and
the
sold
Wolftone
out.
show as well.
The Wolftone show.
But we've got a whole list of other stuff.
On the 15th we have Hilary Burton, the Fighting 69th Regiment. Should be a very interesting lecture.
He's actually runs the parade in
New York,
in America, in New York. It's going to be an exciting lecture.
Really,
celebrating the 69th Regiment, which is the Fighting Irish.
We've got loads of other stuff, but you've got loads of guests on who are going to talk about these wonderful things. You know, Roaring Voices, the short film fest with London Breeze. So we don't really want to steal, steal their thunder. But we do have, just to put the warning out for anybody who's interested, Sharon Shannon is here for 3 nights. The 18th, 19th, and 20th of October. The 18th and 19th are almost gone, and when I say almost gone, we expect them to be gone probably imminently. There's good availability the Sunday, but what will happen usually is this: when the Friday and the Saturday go, the Sunday goes just as quick. So buy your ticket to Sharon Shannon. It's her and the trio. It's going to be a fabulous night. Get them now.
And how do people keep in touch with everything that's going on here?
Well, you can follow us on all of our social media. We're on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok.
Oh, we're on TikTok.
We're on TikTok.
Yeah, we're going viral.
Peter Howard-Hines went viral.
He's gone
on
viral.
Instagram.
Slay. Or you can sign up to our newsletter on our website, and that is at irishculturalcentre.co.uk.
And, of course, the regulars, like the tea dance on the 3rd Thursday. And every Friday.
The community is back. The session is back, So pop in, grab a flyer.
It's free.
See what's on the website. Yeah,
grab
come
some
along.
potatoes.
Absolutely.
Grab some potato.
Grab one of the best Guinness in town.
The best Guinness.